So I am really excited to have taken this workshop, this like week-long workshop, because I've taken a class here and there in how to do school visits, and I even did an entire weekend on how to do school visits, and I got a lot of really great, ideas. But in this case, the training was so extensive, and it was able to help us not only with school visits. All right, so I got a little story I gotta tell you first. You guys ready? Important story. So once upon a time, there was a little 7-year-old girl who lived in a big city. Is anybody here 7? Oh my gosh. I am here with my kids. And it also helped us to do professional speaking and how to really construct a speech and how to really get your point across from your authentic self as opposed to from, what you think people want to hear. And that part has been really great. And quite honestly, at this point, I need to have them create an app where I can put Peter and Jan and Carmen in the app, and I can just press the button when I need them. It's gonna happen maybe. If not, I'll just have to come back and do it again. But I learned a lot, and I have done readings at libraries and things like that before. But it was after this that I felt like I could really create a useful school visit that was actually educational, entertaining, and inspirational to the kids all at the same time. And I think it succeeded, because after our visit today, the teacher came up to me and she just could not stop talking about how much she enjoyed what it is that I provided, and I provided it because of all the instruction that I learned this week. And the food is awesome, but you already knew that.